Hey, what's up? Sam here. In this video, we are going to take a quick look at the newly released Redmi Note 11 5G series phones. I will do a really detailed one later, like the photo testing and sound testing, etc. So please subscribe. For this video, it's going to be just a quick unboxing and first look. As for the unboxing, the Note 11 5G series is just the same as other Xiaomi phones. Same insert that includes a pin, user manual, and soft silicone case. But at this time, the Note 11 series comes with 3.5mm headphone jack, so it doesn't have that 3.5mm to Type-C adapter, and then the phone and power adapter. As for the design, some people say it's inspired by Apple, and I believe it so. And I really like this kind of design. And most importantly, it brings back the infrared blaster, stereo speakers, and 3.5mm headphone jack. That's what many people want for years. Anyway, get on to the Redmi Note 11. At the front, we are looking at a 6.6-inch LCD with Full HD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate. The back has the same huge island, but sadly it comes with only two cameras, 50MP main unit and 8MP ultra-wide camera. At least the Redmi Note 11 retained the 16MP selfie shooter. Compared to the Pro siblings, there are some downgrades, like for the Note 11 it only has 33W fast charging for the 5000 mAh battery, which should charge from 0 to 100% in 62 minutes. Also, the chipset is Dimensity 810, coupled with 4 memory options. Moving to the Note 11 Pro and Note 11 Pro Plus, the two Pro devices are identical aside from one key difference. The Plus variant brings 120W fast charging, while the regular Pro has a bigger battery. So two phones have the same front 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch summary rate, and features a particularly small selfie camera punch hole at just 2.96mm in diameter. On the inside, we have a Dimensity 920 chipset and a choice between three memory versions. The most impressive feature of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus is its 120W fast charging that tops the 4500 mAh battery in about 15 minutes. To prove that Xiaomi had a performer on stage hold his breath for 15 minutes and 5 seconds while a demo unit was charging. Going for the non-Plus phone would decrease the charging rate to just 67W, which is still tremendously fast, and you'd be getting a larger 5160 mAh battery. The huge camera island on the back has only 3 active snappers, a 108MP main with Samsung HM2 sensor, borrowed from the predecessor Redmi Note 10 Pro, an 8MP ultra-wide cam with 120° FOV, and a 2MP tele-macro camera. The phone has a 3.5mm audio jack and JBL-tuned stereo speakers. Two 0.65 cubic millimeter audio chambers on the two sides of the phone aim to enhance the sound. And if you are wondering how does it sound, I will put in an audio test at the end of this video. That's a really simple hands-on video. For the price and availability, you can check out the link in the description. I hope you like it. Like I said, I will do a really detailed video in the next 2 days, so please subscribe if you haven't. With me, I'll see you in the next one.
Shouldn't fly to home, but if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. We started out